Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate bonbons. First, melt your chocolate to a specific temperature, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit for dark chocolate, ensuring it's fully liquid. Next, cool it down to about 82 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring continuously to encourage crystal formation. Finally, gently reheat it to a working temperature of 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise process gives your bonbons a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Now, let's prepare the bonbon shells. Ensure your polycarbonate molds are perfectly clean and dry. Pour your perfectly tempered chocolate into each cavity, filling them completely. Gently tap the mold on your work surface to release any trapped air bubbles and ensure the chocolate coats the entire surface evenly. Then, use a scraper to remove all excess chocolate from the top, creating a clean edge for your shells. Once your chocolate shells have fully set and are firm to the touch, it's time for the delicious filling. Carefully pipe your desired ganache, caramel, or other filling into each shell. Remember to leave a small amount of space at the top, about 1/8 of an inch, for the final chocolate layer. Make sure your fillings are at room temperature, not too warm, to avoid melting the delicate chocolate shells. For the final step, we'll seal and demold your beautiful bonbons. If necessary, retemper a small amount of chocolate for the bottom layer. Pour this tempered chocolate over the filled molds, ensuring each bonbon is completely sealed. Scrape off any excess to create a perfectly flat bottom. Chill the molds in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes until the bonbons contract and easily release with a gentle tap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.